Preventing the spread of COVID-19. Practice 1. Answer the question. What is the best way to prevent becoming ill from COVID-19? A. Get the vaccine from your doctor. B. Avoid being exposed to the virus. C. Drink lots of water. D. Eat leafy greens. Answer B. Avoid being exposed to the virus. Fact: there is no vaccine to the virus currently, which is why social distancing and good hand hygiene are so critical to prevent becoming ill. Practice 2. Answer the question. What is the best way to avoid exposure to COVID-19? A. Maintain a social distance. B. Wash your hands frequently. C. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Fact: COVID-19 is primarily spread through the air and respiratory system. It is important to keep a distance from others, wash your hands, and do not touch your face. Practice 3. Answer the question. When do symptoms of COVID-19 typically appear? A. Immediately after exposure. B. 12 hours after exposure. C. 2 to 14 days after exposure. Answer C. 2 to 14 days after exposure. Fact: COVID-19 can be spread by people who are showing no symptoms of sickness. Keep a social distance to avoid getting infected or infecting others. Practice 4. Answer the question. When should you wear a mask? A. If you are coughing or sneezing. B. If you are showing the symptoms of COVID-19. C. If you are taking care of someone suspected of having COVID-19. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Fact: if you are healthy, you only need to wear a mask if you are taking care of a person with COVID-19. Practice 5. True or false? Masks are only effective when they are combined with regular hand washing. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True.